everyone, today I'm gonna share with you how to make the table topper from fabric scrap. This you can make all different colors if you want to, but I decided to use two different fabric, one for the back side and one for the front side, and also these two I use the same fabric. Step by step and good for beginner. If you just begin how to learn how to sew, this is the best project for you. So I have cut in here 16 interfacing, but you can use 8 if you want to, because I use two sides of the interfacing to make it nice and sturdier. And so the interfacing I usually cut from the paper. I fold the Xerox paper in half and then I fold it again and I cut it 5-inch interfacing. I go around and mark 2.5 inches all around and I cut to have this 5-inch circle. And I trace on the interfacing and I cut 16 interfacing together of the 5 inches. I use midway interfacing. And then I use this one of 5.5 inches and I trace it out and cut the fabric. I use the lining 8 and then the main fabric another 8. And then this one, the big one I have for the back and the front of the table topper. And I cut the interfacing 7.5 inches midway interfacing, and the fabric I cut to 8 inches fabric. So for this you're gonna place the right side to the right side and you're going to follow the interfacing and sew around, and you're going to leave one little area about, I would do 2 inches open so you can inside out. So follow the interfacing and sew in this piece, two pieces together. With this, you're going to take one solid and one flower, right side facing together, and you're going to sew. This way will help you to sew perfect circle because the interfacing, that's what you follow and sew. So place the right side to the right side to all 8 set up the circle. One lining and one main fabric. Leave about an inch open. You don't want to leave too long. Follow the interfacing and sew all around here. So funny everyone, I'm using this sewing machine because I am upstairs now. And later on I will go back to my sewing room and using my other sewing machine. So this is the Brother sewing brand. And I told my son I'm using the Brother. I need to be more specific so he understands. And then he teasing me. He say, "Oh, you're using my uncle." That is so funny because I call brother, so he called this machine is his uncle. Too funny. Anyway, it's so fun to have the two boys in the house. I'm the only woman, so 3 of them sometimes it cracks me up. So anyway, everyone, this big blue circle for the center of the table topper. I call table topper, but you can use this for the placemat, or you can use anything you want. It's up to you. I'm just giving you an idea how to do things, but you can use it for anything you want. People decorate the table and then they put the flower vase on top. It looks very cute too. Anyway, so sew them all and then I'll show you how to put them together. So with this small pieces, I can go and trim this around. If you don't want to, it's fine too. At the space that I left it open, I'm not going to trim. I just leave it the way it is. So there's extra room for me when I fold it after I inside out this. So you're going to inside out all 8 of them, and then you're going to press around the sew line and iron all of them. So everyone, after I sew all of these pieces together, I have 8 pieces of the small one and one a big one. So with the big one right here, you can go and top stitch around this outer side. Do that, and then with this one, we're going to mark so we can fold. So we can sew together. So I have I keep the template here, and I'm gonna show you how to do this. And then you're going to fold this in half, and then from the fold, you straighten the ruler until you see that 1 inch mark. You're gonna move the ruler until you not like this, not like this. You're gonna move until you see that 3.5 inches. So go like that, and then move the ruler in and out until you see that 3.5. So if you're doing this is more than 3.5, then you're going to move the ruler in, just like so. Now I have the 3.5 inches. I'm going to fold and then fold this down. So now you have this for you to go for each side here. The opening space, you can leave it out, and this side, so mark on the main side, mark like that. Now you're going to do all of these pieces. Now I'm going to place the two back sides together, and the line you mark facing out so you can see where you sew. Do that to all 8 pieces together, just like so. You can pin or you can clip, whatever you want to do. And so we can sew. First we're going to top stitch the big one. When you top stitch, you can do between 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch. It's all up to you. But when I top stitch this little thing, I usually do 1/8 of an inch. And now I sew the two small pieces together first, and then each time you sew, you add more. You don't need to pin the whole thing. I pin just one to show you. But when you sew, you can do one at a time, put together and sew. Whatever best for you, everyone. I'm here to show you how to do it. Very simple. So everyone, after I sew this together, and then like this, and then you flap this out, and then you iron this all around here. I'm showing you how to top stitch this one here, going down and going up, going here, going down, going up, and going here, down, up, going to the side, down, up, go to the side. I know you don't need to see me sewing, but to do this, so I can add some music for a lot of people request. This is the only way you can listen to the music if you don't want to watch, or if you want to watch and don't want the music, then turn the volumes down. Now after I sew, this is the back and this is the front. So beautiful. You can change any fabric colors you want, as long as you have two different colors. So now I'm gonna bring this circle back so we can place it in the center. This circle right here, you're gonna fold it in half. I top stitch around here too. So fold it in half. Then you fold in half again. And make sure this line you just fold matching right in the center. You're gonna place this over. This is the best way. And then you can see that right in the center when you put it down. Now you're going to use the glue stick. If you use the pin, it's very hard because everything is gonna stick up. I'm going to add just a little bit of the glue like that so it can help me keep that down. I'm gonna pin it down here so I can turn it around, and just like that. Turn this around, lift this up, add a little bit glue. When you sew, you're not gonna sew on the glue anyway, so just add a little like that. Because when you sew, you're gonna sew on this curve. That's why we save that for last. So make sure that I lift this up, add the glue here, put this down, press, just like so. So now we're gonna start sewing the inside so it can stay together with the blue circle. So I'm using the new microphone, and hopefully you can listen to my voice better than last time, because a few people told me the last video I sound like I was under the water. So let me know how it's go. I usually check before I upload, but you know how I was after the procedure and I went crazy. Just so you know, I make the video before I got my procedure, so that way people don't have to hang too long and wait for my video. So when I rest, I just edit the video and upload for you. So that's it, everyone. This is very easy for beginner or for the people who want to make a table topper or plate mat or whatever. In the few minutes you can have your own. And this you can use up all your little fabric around if you want to use all different colors in one. And the size is 14 inches. I just want to say thank you for people that listen to the music on my second channel. My second channel, the link is right in my description, and also on the first pinned comment on every video. So make sure you click on that, and if you want to listen to some music, the relaxing music, just click on the playlist and listen to it. Thank you everyone that sent me prayers for my health. My procedure went well, everything good. I am resting, and so everything fine. I'm not saying it's normal, but it's okay. It's better than I expected. So thank you so much everyone. Love you. Stay safe. Take care.